My name is Glenn, the Senior Stock Market Strategist, and it's a popular video. People want to know what stocks are on the move and why. Not just that I like them, but what is the reason why they're moving up? And I'm going to prove a case for 4 stocks for you tonight about stocks that are on the move that you need to definitely consider right now. On the move now, we have CVS. Healthcare is always a good place to be as long as you're in the right healthcare stock. Now, why do I like CVS? Stock rose 1.5% after the healthcare conglomerate forecasted a 2024 revenue above estimates. Now, that's important because most companies in the current conditions are guiding lower. If I can find a company, no matter what it is, in this case, healthcare, that's guiding above estimates as far as revenue, that catches my attention. So I like CVS. You know me, I love Apple, but I'm not in love with Apple, and I like to play it at the right time. We all know that the Magnificent Seven stocks have gotten hit. There's 2 that are actually on the move that I like. Apple is one of them, and the other one is Amazon. Apple, known for its robust capital returns, is another major contributor to where Buffett's dividend income. This is a Warren Buffett play. Not only are they doing well, India right now, they had some floods. It's going to stop or slow down the production of some iPhones, but I think they can overcome that. But this is more of a Buffett's dividend income play. Buffett is about to add approximately $878 million worth of Apple to Berkshire's dividend coffers. That could be a big move for Apple, and it's responding today. Next one, AutoZone. Another benefit of being in recessionary times is AutoZone. Why? It rose 1.3% after the retailer aftermarket vehicle parts posted a better than expected 10% rise in quarterly profit. What does that mean? Well, it might not go well for people buying cars, whether they're new or used, because people are trying to hold on to their cars as long as they can so that they don't have to go spend money on a new car or buy a new or used car. Vehicles, they're buying or maintaining their vehicles instead of buying new ones. That's the case. AutoZone is a good place to be. Another healthcare, Johnson & Johnson. I'm going to add a third one. So we got CVS, we got Johnson & Johnson. I want you guys to also keep your eyes on UNH, United Healthcare. But Johnson & Johnson rose 0.3% after they forecasted revenue growth of 5 to 6% for the next year. So both CVS and Johnson & Johnson are letting you know that they look for revenues to go up in 2024. This might be on my list. Both of those might be on my list for the best stocks going into 2024. Be on the lookout for that one as well. And they've got a great drug in their pipeline, Stelara, that could be a great shot in the arm to push that stock higher. Those are my 4 stocks that are on the move. And let me tell you why I like them. Out of the 4, 3 of them have relative values above 1. These stocks have great upside potential going into 2024. Apple is the only one, but 3 out of the 4 have relative safety above 1, which means that these companies should meet or exceed earnings expectation. So altogether, I think if you look down at the bottom, they have a combined relative value, relative safety above 1. So fundamentally, altogether, these stocks are good. Relative timing above 1. They're all in uptrends with the exception of Johnson & Johnson, which is pretty flat right now. Earnings growth. 2 of them have double-digit earnings growth. That's AutoZone and CVS. Apple and Johnson & Johnson have been around for a long time. Neither one of those are growth stocks, but AutoZone and CVS are still in that space for growth stocks. All right. Let's go take a look at the graph, and we're going to look at them in a near perfect indicator graph. In order to be able to do that on your own, you need to have a subscription to the VectorVest system. You might want to think about doing so. All you need to do is go to www.vectorvest.com/YT. Get a trial for 30 days for 99 cents. Let's go put this on a 3-month graph. All right, why do I like AutoZone? Coming off of this high, trending lower. Yesterday broke through the downtrend, and now moving up And what did it also do today? It came down to that downtrend, testing as a level of support now and still above. I like the play. Looking at it from near perfect indicator of entry right here by way of RT, and it is still in trend, Even after it pulled back, stayed in trend. Let's go to the next one. Apple, I like that it broke through this most recent swing high. I'm going to see if it's going to retest this, but right now I love that it's up above that swing high. Trend is in place. Signal was way back here. Love this setup. Signal way back here to get us in. Take advantage of that. We'll keep our eyes on that. Next one, Johnson & Johnson broke through a downtrend. Not currently in trend yet by way of the stop prices, but nice entry here, moving up. I'd like you to buy it on an up day if it continues to move up, but I like the breakthrough of the downtrend and moving higher. And the last one is CVS, just about at trend, also just about at entry. I like this preliminarily based on the news, but let the stock come to you. I love that it broke through the downtrend. Put this on a 6-month graph. I love that it broke through the downtrend nicely, and I definitely want to keep my eyes on that one as well. Folks, those are my 4 stocks of stocks that are on the move right now. It's important that you have your cases presented before you, which I just did. Now it's up to you to make your own decision. These are great stocks to keep your eyes on. And that's what we do here. We do the work so you don't have to. If you like this content, make sure you hit the like button. If you're brand new to the channel, folks, we need you to hit that subscribe button and bell icon. This is what we do day in and day out. All right. Now, with that being said, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, we want you to start 2024 on the best foot possible. So we're going to have our flagship 2-day seminar in Tampa on January 5th and 6th of 2024. And I'm inviting you to our live stream event right here, right now. Simply go to www.vectorvest.com/stream to register. What are you going to get? Well, we're going to show you how to triple your fixed income investing. 3 times more. And then we're going to show you a blockbuster ETF strategy that will just really blow your mind. What else do you get for showing up for the live event? You get full access to the broadcast. You get world-class stock education. You get a digital copy of the course. You get a $100 voucher for any VectorVest coaching group, and we've got prizes and drawings for over $2,500. Folks, you want to register and do it right now.
Yeah.